Yes, it's quarter number 4. Here we go. Here's Joseph Gabayni. Inside, Yuniel, katapang with a shot. Bounces off. Rebound there para kay Carl. Foul called on player number 12. Joseph Gabayni with a second personal foul, first team foul. Bleach at the other free throw line, 17 points para kay Ian. 78-61, 17-point blown out lead in the second half. Here's Angelo, off to Jimenez. Trying to create space. Kids, step back 3. Ating to go, katapang with the board. Balik ang bola para kay Kyle. Cross-court to Angelo, baseline, teardrop, drops in. 7 points for Angelo. At pumalik. Here in our fourth and final quarter, really going. Here's Cecilio with 12 points, all of those from beyond the arc. Here's Carl, hand it off to Allen. Cecilio, that's way off. Back na naman with a rebound, just rolls out. Here's Jimenez with a nice fake. That is a foul on Cecilio. Third personal foul on Junjun, first team foul. (78-63). Here's Jimenez, the kick out. Kyle Aliana, 3! 13 points para Kyle Christian Aliana. Two minutes have gone by. Here's Ian, over Angelo, inside para kay Mark. Here's Pingris, nowhere to go. There's a foul down play. The foul will be called on player number 11. That is his second personal, second team foul. Here's Allen Javier. Yung bola para kay Ian. Enenzo has been quiet in the second half. Mark. Ball is saved. Great effort from Mark Pingris. 10 on the shot clock. Who gets the loose ball? The kick out. Here's Mark. His favorite shot. Plus the look. 12 points for him. Will be a pushing foul there on player number 9, Allen Javier, with his second personal. Substitution. Look at the hustle there. 66-80 ang ating score. 14-point lead for Team Mayor Squad. Here's Keith Jimenez, quick shot. Too strong. Christian gets a rebound. Balik sa kanilang point guard si Junjun. Cecilio off to Ian. On his way, Angelo getting the steal. Team Yangko on the offense. Jimenez with a long shot. Good line but short. to Christian. Here's Paul Christian Ferrer, balik kay Cecilio ang bola. With 10 seconds on the shot clock, inside pass, Ferrer sees daylight there. Timeout is called. And Ferrer is doing everything here in this ball game, 13 points. And shout out po sa ating mga kaibigan na nanonood through their on the side step, and there is a whistle down play, foul bottom player number 15, that is Mark Dingley, committed second personal, and the 13th foul for them. Shot clock at 18. Substitution will be made. Justin Loreño will check back on the floor, replacing Alan Navier. He's in charge in guarding Keith Jimenez. Here is Kyle Laliana. He wants to go for a nice over Christian. Kyle with 10 seconds on the shot clock. On his right, the kick out. Katapang. Quick bars. It goes for 3. 10 points. Second 3-pointer para kay Uniel. 69-82. Here's Cecilio off to Christian. 13 points in the ball game para kay Ferrer. Paul, 5 seconds to work with. Managed to escape. Goes blocked there. Third rejection para kay Joseph Gabayni. Great timing. 3 seconds to make a shot. Inside, the quick shot, no, and misses. Good. Off to the front court. Katapang, ball fake. High off the glass, 5 straight points for him. (82-71), a 5-0 run, dala sa atin ni Katapang. Here's Cecilio, inside para kay Melencio. There will be a hold, and an offensive foul called on Ian Melencio. That is his first, warning for penalty already. Early foul trouble with 5-minute mark remaining. Stop and pop. Gabayni showing his range. And the lead is now cut down to 9 points. 5 minutes, 33 seconds remaining. Here's Pico. Looking for a teammate. Bigyan bola ngayon para kay Justin. Off to Ian. 5 seconds to work with. The spin. The shot. And it falls down for 2 again. 19 points now para kay Ian Melencio. He has 30 points yesterday. On the footwork. Nowhere to go. Gabayni with the catch. Same spot and same result for Joseph. 16 points, 17 rebounds for Joseph Gabayni. Loreño on top of the key. It is only down to 9-point game. Step back jumper. Didn't fall down. Make it 18 boards para kay Joseph. Here's Jimenez showing handles. On the right, Angelo hesitates. Inside to Joseph. Gabayni gets it again. 18 points in the ball game together with 19 rebounds. Four minutes remaining. The lead cuts down to 7 points. The biggest lead earlier was 18 points in that third quarter. Here's Miko, balikan bola para kay Ian, tabi bola palabas, so Bo would stay with shot clock at 12. Five seconds. For 3. Shot miss, Katapang with the rebound, off to Jimenez. Here's Keith on the break, splitting two defenders. Off to Gabayni. Just misses that one on the front iron. Oh no, the ground erupts almost. Miko forcing that move, tapping ng bola, who gets it? Loose ball, Mark puts it up, he's been fouled. Foul will be called on number 12, that is his third personal foul. 13th foul. There's Mark Pingris will go back at the free throw area. What a sequence a while ago. Should be down. Kung nahulog yun, 5 puntos na lang ang kalamangan. Mark Pingris at the free throw area. First shot is in and out. Pingris with the second free throw. And he makes that second. $17 points in the ball game. 3 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. Natitira sa ating first game. Kyle. Blocked there by Crescent. Good defense from Ferrer. Inside pass. Here's Mark. That is a low stage. Shot clock at 4 seconds. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Mark on his way up to the basket using the glass. 19 points in the ball game for Mark Pingris. Mark and Ian combined for 38 points. Hand it off para Kit Jimenez. Step back 3. Nating to go. Taping ang bola palabas para kay Mark. 16 boards. 19 points. 16 rebounds in the ball game. Here's Ian over Angelo. Pumping up. Good defense from Angelo. Cross court and a steal. Kyle Laliana, and there's a foul. That will be called on player number 3. 13. Miko de has been second personal. Kyle first free throw is good. 14 points para kay Kyle. 78-87. It goes. Here's Ian. 15 on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes! And the steal there by Kit Jimenez. Penalty situation. Third personal foul. $79-87. Kit Jimenez at the free throw line. 20 points in the ball game. Make it 21. Babasa 7 ang kalamangan.
Wala.
22. 6-point game. 1 minute 56 seconds remaining. Ian, veteran move, taking up most of the time in air. So ice up the clock. 5 seconds. Step back three. In and out. Who gets a rebound? Ball went out of bounds. And Team Yangko can cut the lead with this possession. Here we go. Let's find out. Here we go. 81-87. Here's Jimenez with a catch. There's a foul, penalty. Third personal foul. Jimenez will go back at the free throw line. 22 points para Jimenez. Former San Miguel Beermen. 23 points in the ball game. 3 straight made free throws. 5 puntos na lang ang inahabol ng Team Yangko. Make it 2 out of 2 for him. 24 points. Here's Ian. It is only a 4-point game. Preston, double team at the corner, nowhere to go. To Ian, Melenzo, free the line. 21 points. Jimenez, good! Jimenez, green! Pakipatay po yung flash, pakipatay yung flash. Yung mga nag-video po, pakipatay yung flash. Kuya, pakipatay na. Here's Ian. Yung flash ko, yung flash. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Good defense. Pingris. Nowhere to go. Good defense again. 1 second on the shot clock. 1 second. Kuya, pakipatay yung flash. Kuya. Ikaw naka-green. Yung naka-green, katabi na nakadilaw. Yan, ikaw. Oo, ikaw. Yan, yan. Wait lang. Silence, boses, silence daw po. Nakabukas pa rin tayo.
Late naman ang sabi ng challenge. Review!
After the review, challenge unsuccessful. Ball will stay with shot clock 1 second. 1 second to make a shot. One second to make a shoot. The shot, no. Kapini, 20 rebounds in the ball game. Jimenez on the front court. Here's Kit Hooray! Kapal sa isang kalamangan. What a ball game we're having here. 29 big points. 30 seconds to go. Here is Ian. It is 88-89. Melenzo, tightly guarded by Angelo. 10 seconds to work with. And there's a foul. Foul on Katapang. Only warning for penalty. Second personal. Warning for penalty. One second to wrestle between the shot clock and the game clock. After inbound by Justine. Oh, there is a quick foul. Penalty situation for both teams. Foul on Joseph Gobaini. Fourth personal foul. Warning for fouled out. Mark Pingris at the free throw line. Kakabili lang yun. Kakabili lang. Mark Vegas needs to make these 2 free throws to make it a 3-point lead. First free throw. No pressure. Here we go. 88-90. Mark Vegas, second free throw to make a 3-point lead. He misses. Here now, Kid Jimenez. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds remaining. Here we go. Here's Kid creating space. Cross court. Katapang with 5 seconds. Off to Kyle. Yaliana. Throwing the side. Good! What a shot there! With 0.7 remaining. Oh, this is what Gentry Senos waiting for. A close-out game.
Nakakilabot. Back.
What a game. Basta usapan pag may OT, may dagdag bayad, pati yung announcer. Wala ba? Wala.
Tama kami dyan.
What a game all around here in the province of Cavite. Quick shot, Mendezo! And we are going to overtime. Extra 5 minutes of ball game.
Extra payment din. Sakta na dito ko. Sa init. Sa 90, sa 90.
And here, extended to an overtime, extra 5 minutes more of ball game sa unang bakbakan natin dito sa G League, the Mayor Luis Johnson Federer Cup. Panalay sere ating sa inyo ng ating board member Morit Season to the efforts and help of the city government of Gentry, headed by Mayor Johnson, Vice Mayor Jonas, Congressman Oni, and syempre the sports development office headed by Coach Johnson, Commandant. And now we're on our way back here on the floor. Here is Nico De Los Santos from the high pick. Nowhere to go, gets it back, the kick out, Christian this time. In and out. Lagi ako pa. Basta. 14 seconds on the shot clock, 4 minutes 44 seconds remaining. Tapikan ng bola, Joseph with 22 rebounds. Here's Kyle, off the kid. To score to Nuniel. Katapang goes on his right over Pingres, hand it off, sending it back. Kyle gets it again, 10 seconds to shoot. Kabaini free throw line, air ball, 5 seconds. 3 to shoot. To beat the clock, no, saving it again for 3. Bang! 32 big points! Kid Jimenez with their heroic shot there. They're up by 3 now. The smile on his face. on that dribble. The kick out is Mark. Biglis ngayon at the low block. Tumiko at the corner. Justine trying to make an answer. Neil gets a rebound. Bounce passes to Yuniel. Katapang aatake. There's a blocking foul. Foul on Nico. That is his fourth foul penalty. What a ball game. Carl Baclay will check back on the floor for Team Air Squad. 93-90. 3 minutes and a half remaining.
Pwede tayo mag-reservation eh.
3 minutes, 37 remaining. And shooter's bounce. 13 points para kay Katapang. 4 players with double digit. Daliana, Katapang, Jimenez, and Gabayni. 14, Yangku. Biglis atake sa gitna over Gabayni. Making his way in, pumping up. Muscle his way in. The veteran move there by Mark Biglis. $23 points. 94-92. Here's Sam. Balik ang bola ngayon para kay Kyle. Laliano on his left. Kick out. Gabayni hesitates. 3 on the shot clock. Jam fading away. Shot is missed. And it's 94-92. Here's Ian. Lenzo. Back to Mark at the low post. Mark Bigris. Over the double team. Bigris. Ball fake. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Blocked there. Good defense from Jam. $94-92, 2-point lead for Yangku. Yan, you know, malapit na, konti na lang. First game pa lang po ito, Jen Lisenio. Meron pa tayong susunod na bakbakan between Team Martin Ferrer going against the Team Parcala ni Jay. Here is Keith Jimenez, 32 points in this ball game. The leading scorer who gets a loose ball. They're diving to get it. Napulot ni Mark. Here's Ian. Off to the front court para kay Carl. Meleso aatake sa gitna, natapigan there. 5 steals now para kay Keith Jimenez. Here's Kyle, extra pass. Off to the front court. Here's Cecilio. Stop and pop. No good for him. He got his own miss. Ian with a possession this time. Ian Meleso, 24 big points. And balik sa isang kalamangan. Wala nang 2 minuto natitira sa ating overtime. There is a blocking foul there on Carl. His first foul, penalty.
1.3 game yun. 1.3 game.
At sa mga nanonood sa live, we have 1,000 viewers so far. 1,300 viewers on our online platform through the FB page of DM Morit Season. Bukod pa yan sa nandito sa Sports Complex, kaya naman we are star-studded here. And Kyle Aliana making that first free throw. 17 points for him. Aliana with 18. Balik Isang puntos sa kalamangan, a minute and a half remaining. Here's Cecilio. Was a great effort getting that second chance opportunity for the shot there by Ian. And it off, Angelo with active hands. Almost getting the steal. One minute 28, shot clock at 15. Inside now, here's Mark. Bigris at the low post, over Gabayni. Racing Alalian at that time. Powers way in, and he's been fouled. Foul call of player number 15. That's Katapang with his third personal penalty.
Tama ito.
Here's Mark Bingris at the free throw line. They're down by 1 point. And first shot is good. And the AI tap. We are all tied up at 96 all. A minute and 90 remaining. 2 out of 2. 25 points, 19 rebounds for Mark Bingris. Here's Angelo over Cecilio. The kick out. Here's Keith Jimenez with a catch. He has the possession now. Looking for a screen. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Double team now. Escapes. Inside, Gabayni, no! The close range shot there. But look at Keith Jimenez managed to pass the basketball. Just Gabayni up front, a little bit short. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Bingris at the low post. 5 on the shot clock, looking at the shot clock now. To the cutting teammate, Baklay! With the 2 points. 35 seconds. Here's Keith Jimenez. Hey! Keith Jimenez does it again. The crowd erupts. 35 points in the ball game. We are all tied up. Here is Ian. Valencia with 10 seconds to work with. 15 seconds to go. 5 to shoot. Inside. No. Who gets a rebound? 10 seconds now. Here's Kyle. Laliana on his way. Touchdown. Taiwan is goal. What a ball game we're having here. 101-99. Sabi ko nga, ito ang gusto ng Zedri Senio. A 3-point shot by Keith Jimenez with 35 points, and Kyle Laliana with a go-ahead basket, 20 points for him, and makes a 2-point lead para sa Team Yangko. Unang laban pa lang to, masakit na yung lalamunan ko sa matinding bakbakan na to. Here we go. Are we looking for a tie or a win? Here we go with the inbound, Laurenio. Goes for Mark. 4 seconds to go. Here's Ian. Melesio attacks. Close it up. He misses. And that ends our ball game. Team Yanku advances to the finals. What a ball game! Keith Jimenez with 35 points.